Is Vvpr heading all the way upwards of the $8 to $10 range in the upcoming week, or is this a ticker which you should be locking your profits from and walking away from? What's up, trading friends? Today we're going to be discussing Vvpr under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to go ahead and give you guys exactly an idea as to why is this ticker up in the first place, considering this is a ticker which is up approximately 50%. Right? Let's go over here and let's see exactly how many. So 30% on the day, and then the past couple of days it's around from $4 to like $5, so over 50%, right, the past couple of days. And we want to understand, hey, what's really happening here, right? This organic growth, is there any sustainability to it? Is this actually a move that has legs and can continuously go up higher and higher and higher, or is this a ticker which is going to be here today and gone tomorrow? Okay, so and that the catalyst matters a lot, right? The catalyst matters because it really shows the longevity of the move, right? Certain catalysts have a shelf life of half day, right? Some catalysts have a shelf life of 2 trading days. Some, the stock can actually go out and continuously build upon them, and higher highs are coming, okay? In the case of Vvpr, when it comes to the news, they have probably the most original news ever. I'm joking. It's not original at all, okay? XRP and Ripple share anchor Vvpr breaking through dual asset. And Nasdaq is the company is making history with a $100 million bet on Ripple shares and XRP tokens. Nice. They're starting a crypto treasury. Okay, that's it. They're starting a crypto treasury. That's it. I mean, we've seen this happen over and over again, right? Every single company and their grandma is starting a digital asset treasury. In fact, it's gotten to a point that we actually opened one ourselves in Top Chart Academy. We go over here. Look at this. Oh, wow, look. Top Chart Academy launches $300 trillion Fortcoin treasury. Our stock goes to the moon. I mean, it's gotten silly at this point, okay? It's literally gotten silly that this is still a catalyst that people are looking at and are like, oh yeah, it's very bullish, right? So for the catalyst, we're going to go over here. For the why, we're going to go over here and put it as okay, because that's all it really is. Now, let's start doing some stock digging. So when it comes to doing stock analysis, the first thing we want to analyze is going to be the volatility of the company, right? When it comes to volatility, the company has a around 50 mil market cap and a pretty small float as well. So we're going to put its volatility as amazing. All right, now the next thing we want to look at over here is going to be institutional ownership. So institutional ownership seen as 0.6%. That's dog shit. Okay, very bad. Now, next thing we want to look at is going to be short interest. What are the shorts doing? Well, the shorts have gone ahead and they've added to their position 11% and 14% the past week. That's actually really not that much, so we're just going to put the short interest as okay. All right. Now, likelihood of dilution. So, how do we anticipate a company having an offering, a public offering, a direct offering, any form of offering? Well, the first thing we want to look at is going to be, hey, is this company in a financial situation where they need to have one? Right? Do they need to go out and be converting shares or converting, freaking warrants, right, in order to raise funds, or at the market, freaking, dilution? Like, is this something that the company needs right now? Does the company need money? Well, when we go over here, when we look at the company's money finances, they don't need that. They don't need it, right? Right now, they have $53 million in the bank. Every single 3 months, they're burning $3 million, leaving them with 52 months. I mean, that's a lot. Okay, let me just double check. Let me pull up their filings again, real quick over here. Yep, they're right. Yeah, my numbers are correct. Yep. So again, right, they're not in a financial situation where they need the money. Okay, so for that reason, we're gonna put the finances good. Now, why not amazing? Why good? Even though they have freaking 4 years of cash covered, because they're not cash flow positive. If they were cash flow positive, then it would be amazing. But it's good. Good is good. So financially, they don't need the money. However, historically, they have diluted a lot, and right now their overhead supply is also massive. Okay, so they don't have a reason to dilute you guys or rug pull, but historically, it has shown us that they don't give a fuck, and they will do that. Okay, they could do it if they wanted to do it. They would do it. All right. That's really what I'm saying. All right. So for that reason, we're going to put this as okay, right? Meaning that it can really go either way, right? For me, history of dilution is probably the most important thing. It's kind of like, imagine you're trying to date a girl and you find out she's cheated on all her previous partners. You're probably going to get cheated on. Okay? Oh, I'm different. She loves me. Yeah, well, till I come around. I'm joking, right? No, but seriously, okay? Like, it's just not gonna look good. History, come on, not looking good. All right. Their overhead supply is also massive. Overhead supply is massive. What's overhead supply? Overhead supply pretty much tells you, can the company go ahead and dilute right now? In this case, yes, they can. They have a bunch of S1 offerings. Not looking good when it comes to dilution. However, financially speaking, freaking amazing. So we're just going to put it as okay. Now, let's talk about the chart. So when it comes to the chart, I could see it going ahead and testing 6. Okay? I could see it going ahead and testing 6. Now, I doubt it gets above 7. I don't think it's going to get above 7. And for me, it's way too risky of a trade. I'm staying far, at around $5, I'm staying far away from Vvpr. Okay? I am. I really am. I don't like it. Okay? It's not a good trade for me if you ask me. And yeah, again, there's just too much downside, right? Now remember, I can be wrong. I've been wrong before, right? And I am a very conservative trader, hence my 82% win rate. You know, different traders have different trading styles. Some people are, you know, they can thrive with a 30% win rate. I don't do that. I'm an accuracy guy. I care about, you know, taking profits and being accurate and making money. That's what I do. Okay? April, no red days. May, 3 red days. June, 1 red day. March, 1 red day. We've been crushing it. We've been absolutely August, no red days yet. Now listen, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, I got good news for you guys. Our Discord, which gives you access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, and option alerts, is right now on a 50% sale for the next 10 members that join. Next 10 members that join, they get access to all my alerts for a 50% sale. You heard that right. Right? Now, listen, give it a shot. The link is in the comment section and description. Now, listen, if you're skeptical, you're correct to be. There's a lot of sketchy shit going on in this business, okay? On YouTube and Discords and everything like that. That's why we're the only Discord that not only offers a 7-day free trial, we also offer you guys a 30 days money back guarantee. That's right, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. I mean, literally nobody else is doing it like us, man. I mean, 160% off of our alerts. HG Racing is one of our coaches. 237. Sean is also one of our mentors. Look at this. At Sean, this is insane. Look at my growth. Shout out to Sean, crushing it. %176%. Your goat fought off a pitbull. Guys, I actually got bit by a pitbull the other day. Let's go to the hospital. Get a shot. I made money today in literally new member. Proof is in the pudding. I appreciate you, cat. Thank you for teaching me a thing or two. Bang. Good stuff. Good stuff overall. Now, listen. Considering we offer a 7-day free trial and 30 days money back guarantee, this is all I want you guys to do. Okay? The common sense move is this. You try it for 7 days. You either make money and you stick around, or you don't make money and you leave. That's it. Not rocket science, common sense. Anyways, head down below, check out those 10 spots. With that said, I appreciate you guys. And remember, don't give up, don't quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders just quit before they become profitable. I believe in you, believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam.